Are all murmurs serious?
Not necessarily. Some are what we call innocent murmurs or functional murmurs.
What's innocent or functional? What does that mean?
Under certain circumstances, there can be more blood flow going through the heart. And a common example would be a woman during pregnancy, and there's extra blood volume, and that can be an innocent murmur that goes away when she delivers.
So while the lady is pregnant, you can sometimes feel or listen to the blood come through the heart, and it's called a murmur.
Yes.
Systolic, functional.
Yes.
Another example.
Well, in children, oftentimes in children, and it's very worrisome to parents, but oftentimes murmurs in children are functional murmurs. Children are growing, their hemodynamics change over time, and later in adulthood, there's no more murmur.
So if you hear a murmur in childhood, is it more frequent that it's going to be innocent, or you have to go through the different type of murmurs in your mind to decide if it's functional? How do you know?
Well, we start with the stethoscope. So for example, a pediatrician, someone that's used to listening to children and their hearts, they may be able to determine that it's likely a functional or innocent murmur. If it's more serious, then we would go on to do testing, an ultrasound called an echocardiogram.
Okay, so if the doctor thinks it's serious or is not sure, then you've got other tests that will help you determine that.
Yes.
How about an overactive thyroid? How about anemia? What type of murmurs do those produce?
Yes, those are also, again, innocent murmurs or flow type murmurs. So if a person is anemic, their blood count is low, and that blood flow is going more rapidly or turbulent through the heart, it can make noise.